My topic is role of media. My topic is role of media. These are the contents, first of all, definition of the media and the characteristics. Definition of the media, characteristic of new media, types of mass media, and these are the contents. And that first of all, the definition of the media. A media mass is in the type of audience means, and like we have through media we can communicate with a larger audience. Like when we are communicating with the another person is not when media is media second definition where media is a medium means medium a media is a way to communicate the larger audience. And now currently internet is the major mass medium. Internet is used as a major medium. Through internet we have all the informations, everything which have on the internet. Characteristics of new media. There are two characteristics of media: wired or wireless communication. Wired communication like uh, wireless communications are like internet and mobile data, which are the wireless communication. Wired communication, point to point addressable. Everything the point, every point is addressable. Like which have facing any difficulties in any aspect in their life, we can define in the news media, which through which expert and others which put their point of view on that topic. There are two topic: interactive or multiple conferencing. Like to interact through the media, we can use interacting between the two persons, and or through media put we can also communicate our we can also communicate with the audience, with the larger audience. Types of mass media: internet, radio and the television, cinema and the print. Internet. Linking in internet is a linking computer internet throughout the world. There are the computers which are connected which are connected through which we have using internet. No government in the world control the internet, but the governments can control the apps, and apps are the parts of the internet. Rate of diffusion means, and the rate of diffusion means spread. The internet is spread most rapidly than any other medium like newspapers. The internet is spread so rapidly. Impacts. Internet change our life through how we work. Like in COVID, we have I am presenting my presentation online from my home. This is the way we every internet with everything. This is because of the internet. And uses of internet are bright, and we can communicate with each other with the internet. We can communicate with the far a person which is very far from us. We can communicate with the internet. We can online banking, and through internet any news, any which can spread so fastly. Any something which is happened in this very far part of the world, but someone slides it and we can get that information. Now, second first internet radio. Now internet is done. Radio and television. Radio was began in 1920. Radio was there. There's a transmission. There's a radio waves which is around us, and the radio is a device which catch those waves and provide the sound. And at that time there is no way of communication, and all the stations which were becoming more popular. Stations means a point like a news is called stations, and every station that means it's providing just like a news channel. It's just a news stations. After the satellite radio, and after that the satellite radio became more popular. And when the television arrived, television is the digital transmission and the receiving of the images, films in the form of images and the films transmission. Which first of all we had the black and white TV. After all, we get them color TV, and now we have LED and LCDs and LEDs. on the biggest network of the television for the news are CBC, ABC, and NBC. All three are the American news channels, American news agencies. Now, cinemas is the film. We have anything which is we saw a film, through a film. Many of the ideas which communicate in the films, in American movies, in when the Cold War, in American movies, we saw a Russian as a villain, through which the Americans are communicating to their generations Russians are our villain, are our enemies. Now, if in the future we will see in American movies the Chinese as a villains. Now the Chinese are their villains in for making the video, for making the films. We use cameras, animations, and visual effects. Animation and visual effects are now spreading very fast, and something which is cannot be happen without visual effects. Like someone is on the another planet, and with the other creatures which is not which we cannot ever see, and we will see through which of the visual effects. There are the many types of the films: action film, drama, stories, and different types. Although some of the films are on the real stories, and every types of the films. Newspapers and the magazines. Newspapers cover political stories. Newspapers. Newspaper are majority of the political stories, and they are major news. Newspapers are New York Times, Washington Post, and Chicago Tribune. All they are the Americans. In Pakistan, they are not so much famous. Newspapers and the magazine also provide the insiders of the opinion of politics. But now, currently, magazine for entertainment purposes. Like some of the in Pakistan, there's a Hum Masala magazine, which we have the recipes of the food and the some entertainment, and like means Bollywood magazines and some more. And the biggest magazines, and these are the big magazines, are the Time, Newsweek, and the US News. Although all three are the American news. Public agenda. Public agenda through media, any type of the media. The problems we heard about the problems, what we are facing, problems we are facing, any type of the problems we are facing, we can hear about we hear through the media. And that also that the problems which our government try to fix, these are the first point is for those problems which governments are not taking the part, like someone like environment. In through past of the years, no government is taking it seriously, but there is a problem, and we have no the problem just because of the media. Now some problems which our government trying to fix, we also heard about it just because of the media. Now media is so much powerful. They are controlling. They're dictating the political leaders. Like they are giving them warnings. Like if you are not doing our work, we will we will we will try to and we will try against propaganda against you. Something. Everything now. Media has now so much power. Electoral politics. Electoral politics in elections, how media is used in televisions allow candidates to reach their voters. Like someone is we also the jalsas in every cities. And now what are they doing? They are presenting themselves. They are promising what they will do if they win the elections. Now they all through television they reach the voters what they can do. Candidates must also put forth and good images. How much the candidates like and putting their images what they done in their they make roads, they made they are presenting the images, take the images and presenting, and then put it in on the internet. We all saw it. Campaign managers use the medias. Campaign managers means like they are the digital marketeers who market their party to win the elections. In India, they are the there's a person, I'm forgetting the name, which is known as a government maker, in which when he was in last major election with the BJP won, the person was with BJP, but after that the person with them, after that, when the election was on Delhi, the person tried to meet with them. The party name is forget the Delhi, the government that the current government on the current government of the Delhi, which is controlling the Delhi. They now the person who met them, a Delhi, which is the capital of the India, and the BJP lost that. How much power a campaign manager has in India? Is a first I'm forgetting the name currently. Now these are the advantages. We learn about many new things, like many things which are problems which are currently we didn't hear, but there's a problem which we will see in the future. We will hear about it through the internet, through the media, any type of the media. Through the media we will hear about it. People get latest news, and people also get the latest news about the environment, about the environment, about the weather, politics, and many other things. Brings out the people hidden talents. Yes, this is the brings out hidden talents. This is the the TikTok, and the TikTok, how the TikTok is tried, the make main focus of the TikTok was to try to take out the hidden talents of the people. Somehow they are successful. That now some people are using TikTok to for doing the immoral things. General knowledge increases, like in through the internet we have many quizzes, through which children learn something, and we took an online quiz about something that we taught him. This we also done this through the medium of the internet. Disadvantages: it leads to the individualism, means like a person who's used in media will try to isolate himself, and do do what they want, just like they all the day they are watching Netflix and the news and the TVs, and for the enjoyment they forget how to socialize. They forget the importance of the socializations, and they every time they just try to meet someone, they just call a person, they do not try to meet that person physically. And some contents which are not suitable for the children's, not suitable for the children, which are like very hardcore action movies, which are not suitable for the children's, but through the media every person can see anything in them, anything on the internet. This is the major disadvantage. Because of this, many children are moving to other bad things. Increase in advertisement. This is the now they are now we on the YouTube, on the Facebook, every time we are scrolling something, we have the pop up about the advertisement. All these are the make the people have they disturb the people. They are watching something, the advertisement which is showing something, which are directly showing something else. For this advertisement, and all the major apps, they are take our privacy, they take our private details and sell to the advertisers. Internet frauds, like we are everything is on internet, like online banking. Someone hack is someone account, and they put money from it, or put the data from it. That's all. These are the references, Google and the Wikipedia. And thank you.